Bruce sees it all.
Hi, and welcome to the Bruce Sees All Research Channel. Welcome to all new subscribers. Hello to all of you over from the Woo community. Jean-Claude, Beyond Mystic 003 channel. I had an interview with him this week. As always, and more, we're having a lot of fun. At the same time, we're touching on some very interesting topics. We have a lot in common. He knows a lot of what's going on and what the good stuff is, what people are looking for, right? The conspiracies, which are no longer a conspiracy, are now being proven. Right, let's get right into it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the sun on May 26, 2023. I don't know if you know it, but it is very aggressive. And, we won't linger too long on this, couple of minutes, and then we will switch over to the sun today on May 27th so that we can see the difference, right? The sunspots that are on the bottom, you can see that they are reaching towards each other, right, to connect themselves. If that becomes one spot, even just a little bit bigger than that spot on the bottom, a little bit longer would be as big as the Carrington event. To give you an idea of way back in the 1800s when a massive explosion on the sun cut all the electricity out and wreaked havoc here on Earth. So I got some nice close-ups for you to see the sun. Not too long, right? Just a couple of minutes so you can see what it looks like. I don't know if you know it, but when I started filming the sun, not that long ago, the sunspots were nowhere near as big as that. And of course, there were for sure not that many sunspots. There are always sunspots on the sun because the sun is turning, they say, right? So on the other side of the sun, underneath, on each side, the back side, sometimes the top and bottom, we can see some sunspots, but actually we can't see them here from Earth. But these are a little more concerning because they're actually facing Earth. That black line, those two lines that you're seeing going across the sun is, yet again, just quite simply, you can see here, the line going across is the filter. When I leave too much light coming in, it was getting older, that filter. I'm going to have to buy a new one. So check it out. I always love showing it like this. So we're already May 27th. We're going to a UFO-filled evening. Reactions where they're going to reply back to me. I'm going to get some flashes, some signs, instantaneous reactions. I'm so happy to see them back in the sky. And let me tell you guys and gals, they are back. UFOs. 10 at a time in the sky going different directions. I was filming them. I was able even to get just in one frame 3 or 4 of them. It's crazy seeing them all passing by themselves. May 27th, 2023. Look how aggressive the sun is. So now you're looking at that spot on the left there that you can see that it's approaching itself right in the center. And you can see the filter lines going across. So like again, it's not the sun that has the black lines, just the filter allowing too much light to come in between the filter and the camera. And I wanted to get a quick view for you of the incredible sun. And of course, some nice close-ups as we slow it down. So what time is it? It's probably around 5-ish right now if you're watching it. I just posted this. And this was the film, of the sun, filmed at 3:30, 3:45. So you know exactly what time it was filmed. It's like less than 2 hours ago. Today on May 27th. Get a couple of nice close-ups. We're almost done here, and we're going to be headed over to the UFO fun-filled evening where, imagine, during a cloudy evening, I was able to literally connect with the sky. That's what I love doing. Let's get into it right now. Thanks for watching. This is with the infrared camera. No manipulation here, straight up UFOs behind trees, low in the sky. This was last night. Please watch till the end. Look how they play with my mind, or they just enjoy interacting with me. Check this out. Please watch till the end.
I haven't seen UFOs in a while. Should be some out tonight. And there's one appearing. Will I see it? Be able to show it to you? What the hell? Oh, horrible. There's the moon tonight, so see the clouds there? Let's go over to the left and you'll see it'll cut out at one point. It stops and it gets to the stars. There's the beginning of the cloud that we can see settling in over top of the moon. Oh wow, really fast. Look how fast it's going over. There's no wind. Higher up there is. And can't see anything obviously. The moon. Wide cloud. It stops there, but look at how fast it's going over the stars. And it goes all the way across the sky, all the way to Montreal. I just missed a UFO going by. As a matter of fact, let's see if we can get one right now without turning this off. And you can see the clouds there. There's the stars, and there are the clouds coming in. And then the UFOs out there. And showing themselves to us. I'll often trek through the sky like this because there's some invisible ones that you don't see. I love doing that, guys. Often it might do something for me, like a flash or get very bright. Ooh, it's very fast, eh? Holy smokes. Happy to see this one. Happy to see that one too. Gonna flash to each other. Would have been really cool. I should have followed the other one on top. You never know what the journey is, eh? Look at them all appearing. A cloudy night. You can go away now if you want to. Just really happy you showed yourself. Thank you. You're too fast to be a satellite, my friend. And you're definitely not the bad R satellite. Yeah, you can disappear. Let's trek again without stopping the video. See if we can see another one appear spontaneously. Now, I've done this many a times to show people that there's lots of activity out there, and I've been able to see a lot. You can see the clouds? I mean, we're looking straight up through clouds. You can see a thick wall of cloud there. Let's look around. There's got to be some more around there. I guess they're appearing there, and look at the cloud coming over the area where we were seeing them. There you go. Alright, you guys, I love you. Gonna make my video tonight, you guys. Head into the clouds and disappear for us. Flashing first would be cool. Ow.
It immediately starts flashing a couple times the minute I asked it to.
Is it going to put its lights out in the clouds? Wow. I can't. Yeah, I'm at the end of my arm. And scout some more, guys. See if any. Geez, they're fast tonight. Really fast. I like when others meet up with them. You follow one, they often put you on the right path. Or the wrong path, but often the right path. Sometimes they don't do anything. I look to see what happens and never know, so you have to follow them. Yeah, I follow them all to the end. Sometimes they get bright, sometimes they flash, sometimes I ask them to flash, and sometimes I just observe them. Sometimes I don't feel always energy from all the lights. I feel many of them stop, disappear, take off, streak through the sky. It's a lot of patience. You can even stop them with your mind. I've done some tests. You can slow them down. Oh, is it changing directions? What's that?
Four, five, six, all in the same sky. There's four, five's coming.
Right
Check it
there,
out.
guys. Hey, how's it going? I love this. I had nothing to ask them, I just watched them. Front row seats, I'm on my tippy toes here. They will bring me to other UFOs. I could be missing them. We'll see when I get inside. Or are those ever slow? Yeah, they probably won't be launching the BAD tonight, the BAD R8 communication satellite, if there's that many UFOs out. This is crazy. Wow, they're not fast, they're observing. Bring me to more UFOs. I just saw 3, 4 in the same frame, I think. It's awesome. Traveling through the stars. The sky is filled with them here. I'm sure there's a whole bunch of other ones I'm probably missing all around. You know what? I know some of you are thinking that could be a ship.
Another one going by underneath. There's like 10 in the sky.
Wow, another one underneath. Going by to say hi to them. Sorry for the shaking now, I'm starting to get a little tired there, boy. The arms. Let's keep following them. You never know who we're going to see. So far we got a good video. We're back at it. And they've arrived in abundance. I don't think they've ever left. I think there's a lot of them around Earth now, guys.
All these tests, making them appear in the sky, seeing them in different directions, seeing more than one of them at the same time, seeing
You show me more.
several of them in the same frame at the same time. So that means there was like almost 10 of them in the sky all at the same time.
That really looks like one craft, eh? I'm going to have to enhance the lighting on this one to check it out. I sense we're going to see some more soon. The sky is filled, and this is through the clouds there. It's late. 1 in the morning. I can't even see those with the naked eye either. They're like absolutely impossible to see with the naked eye. Love that. You gonna disappear, guys? Or are you gonna stick around? Gonna separate? It really looks like one craft. If it is, that's freaky. I should leave you go. I'll let you go on your way. Watch this, guys. Flash for me. Flash for me and appear, please. Show my community this. Please flash for me and appear. I think I just saw you. Wow, I think I caught it. One more time? I know I'm exaggerating. But I've never seen that type of UFO before. It was beautiful, guys. Did you see it? It was like a falling star.
Well, I hope the community appreciated that one, because that was really crazy. Let's see it in slow motion how instantaneous the reaction was. I asked it to appear, and it did.
Please flash for me and appear.
Ladies and gents, thanks so much, everyone. See you in the comment section. Thanks for being here. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions, and thanks for watching the videos.
Aliens are up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are landing on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter, cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.